want to talk about how some of these liquids behave. Viscosity, I really like viscosity. It's a really fun word. And it's resistance to flow. So like this could be like some sort of gel, and this, I don't know, this looks like maybe like, it could be like something you put in your hair, and then we could have syrup here and honey, and then this could be water. And so the thicker the liquid is, the more resistance to flow it has and the less viscosity it has. When we talked about Reynolds numbers and we talked about the critters that live in under the microscope, those critters, remember the water seems more viscous to them, like tar. Remember, if we were going to swim through water, it would be like tar. So that's viscosity. For some reason, I think that is a really fun word. And then surface tension. This is the inward pull by the particles in the interior. So you can see here, we have a meniscus right here. And remember, when you guys are measuring stuff in the lab, this would be where you measure. You wouldn't measure at the top because this actually is not water. This is just a kind of like a bowled-in shape, almost like the shape of a contact. And that's not actually water right there. That's the meniscus. Sometimes you guys might notice if you fill up a glass of water and you fill it up really, really, really high, you get that little bit of water that's coming up right there. That's also a meniscus. And that surface tension is pulling that together. You can do a lab where you see how many water droplets will fit on a penny, and you'll get this little thing like this, and that's the adhesion and the surface tension of those molecules. Maybe you did that in biology. Adhesive forces, these are attractive forces that act between particles of different substances. I don't know if you guys have ever done this. If you put a paper towel near a liquid, it'll actually suck it up, and you can see it kind of pulling it up. This is a really fun one too. You can take celery or a flower if you have like a white carnation, and you can put it in dye, and it'll actually suck it up, and it'll turn the leaves red or whatever color your dye is, like blue. And then this is a really fun one. This is a calendar that I saw. And so this would be like October, and October would be this color. And they have the way the liquid is and the way this material is it fills up for like each day. And so you can actually, like this would be like the 10th or whatever of October. And so you can get an idea of, it's kind of a neat little like monthly calendar.